Hello everybody, this is Suze Kalele. Thanks for joining in on our celebration of the Lunar New Year with our 30-day dance challenge. Tune in on these practice movements, and if you want to have the whole full tutorial, join up on my website for free. It's free to subscribe to learn the whole full version of this dance challenge. For members that are already actively taking classes, you get this whole tutorial. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna celebrate. There we go. Just follow along. Up, 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 and on the hips. Shimmy, hit, shimmy, hit, shimmy, hit, 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 shimmy, hit. Get those arms, shimmy, hit, shimmy, hit, shimmy, and hit. Here we go. Forward, back, rock step, lift, rock step, forward, 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 side, back, and shimmy, rock shimmy, and up. Gonna go all the way around, those arms up, hit, coming, go all the way around, fast, 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 and hit, up. Here we go, hit, 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 up, hit, 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 and up. The forward rock step, here we go. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and forward, and back. And shoulder shimmy. Those shoulders. Ooh. Keep breathing. And chest pop. Shoulder. Up. All right. Whoa, that was a good practice. Okay, we're gonna go with the other song. This is really slower. So here's the other one. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and practice this, our ummies. Make sure you get that ummy. So right, middle, I'm sorry, left, middle, right, back. This is going to be a little challenging. We're going to go all around ourselves. Get those arms up and down. Do not stop. Keep going. We are layering two movements really slow. want, you can. You can rest your hands. Take a deep breath. Let's start our arms going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Finish that on the up. And release down. Keep going. And rest your arms. And again, go up. And hold. Keep that on the going. No stopping. Woo. And down. Let's go ahead and go into our circle with our ummi. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Instead of going to the right, we're going to go to the left. And thank you. I hope those movements, you will practice them. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I will show you this in lessons. And happy Lunar New Year.